Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This is the speed of Andhra Pradesh held in the month of July 1994. This is 80 words speed. In this dictation, last 3 minutes speed is increased somewhat and maintained at the rate of nearly 85 words per minute. Please observe it. 5 seconds. Start. I am very happy to associate myself with this annual conference of the Stenographers Association of Andhra Pradesh. At the outset, I am grateful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to meet you all and share some of my views. As you all know, yours is one of the important professions. All the organizations, right from the private companies to public offices, ministers, lawyers, judges, etc., need the services of the stenographers. It would be rather impossible for them to discharge their functions successfully without the help of the stenographers. There are a number of officials and non officials who solely depend on their personal assistants who happen to be stenographers. In a number of cases, the officers very reluctantly permit their stenos to go on leave as the services of the stenographers considered essential and very valuable. The stenographers command great respect both from the public and the subordinate staff of the department in which they work. They are very influential also. There are a number of cases where the officers misuse the services of their stenos by entrusting sundry works other than their regular work. Some of the officers very often entrust outside duties such as purchase of air tickets, making train or bus reservations for their official as well as personal trips, bank and post office works to their stenographers. This is nothing but disrespecting the profession and also the person employed. I therefore strongly feel that this conference should deliberate on some of these issues and pass certain resolutions which would enhance the status and prestige of the stenographers. At the same time, I am very much worried about the professional performance of some of the stenographers. I am told that some stenographers, after they pass the examination and get a job, discontinue their practice of shorthand. As a result, they are not able to take down the dictations given by their bosses properly and reproduce correctly. These officers are very much disappointed at the performance of their stenographers and many a time scold them also. I therefore appeal to you all to request all your fellow stenographers to be in touch with the shorthand subject continuously, improve their professional competence, and thus earn good name from their officers. Another important issue is lack of proficiency in English by some of the stenographers, which I have been observing throughout my career. Dear sir, thank you very much for your kind letter dated 15th August 1993, requesting me to offer my suggestions for improvement of the annual journal being published by our association. I am very happy to note that your association is bringing out the journal annually. I have gone through the journal published by you last year. I am glad to see therefrom very useful articles, current news relating to your profession, and also the valuable services that are being rendered by your respected association. I do not know whether the journal is being circulated widely to reach not only your members but also all the people interested in this profession. I feel that there is need for inclusion of some more articles which are purely professional in nature, written by the experienced persons working in the field. Such articles would be very useful for developing professional competence of the people working in the area. Yours faithfully,